Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and this video I'm going to show you WhatsApp status not showing problem, how to fix that problem. So if your WhatsApp status is not showing, there are several possible reasons and solutions. First of all, you have to check your privacy. Make sure your privacy settings are set to the everyone or my contacts so that others can view your status. To do this, go to your phone settings and then account and privacy. From there, and you can see status, and from there you can have to select the privacy of your for your status. You can see my contacts, or you can see my contacts except, and you can see all of these contacts are hidden from my story. You can set your privacy from there. Also guys, update the app. Make sure you are using the latest version of the WhatsApp to the benefit from any improvement or bug fixes related to the status display. And check your contacts privacy settings. Ask your contacts to check their privacy setting and ensure that their status is set to the visible to everyone to your contacts. So guys, these are some solutions. If these solutions did not work, try uninstalling or reinstalling WhatsApp. Hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.